Want to own a piece of crypto history? Today, we're diving into how to buy Melania using Phantom Wallet. First, download Phantom Wallet from your App Store or browser extension Marketplace. It's available for iOS, Android, Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. Once downloaded, create a new wallet or import an existing one, making sure to securely store your seed phrase. Next, you'll need Solana, or SOL. To buy Melania, you can purchase SOL directly within Phantom Wallet using a credit or debit card, or transfer it from another exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Just click the deposit button and choose your preferred method. Now, access a Solana decentralized exchange, such as Radium or Orca, within the Phantom Wallet browser or through a direct link. Connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button on the DEX platform. In the swap interface, select SOL as the token you're selling, and Melania as the token you want to buy. You may need to manually input the Melania token address, which can be found on CoinGecko or other crypto tracking websites. Double-check the address to avoid scams. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap for Melania. Be mindful of slippage. This is the percentage the price can move before your transaction is cancelled. Adjust slippage settings according to market volatility. Finally, click Swap and confirm the transaction in your Phantom Wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully bought Melania. Your tokens should now appear in your Phantom Wallet. Remember to always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Happy trading!